episode 37 of Crafting with the Crankers. Today, we're going to show you how to make either a bird feeder or a bird house out of recycled bottles.
It's up to you.
So what do we need today?
We're going to need some bottles that are empty and acrylic paint.
Perfect. What else, Lila?
Then, for your roof, you don't have to do a roof. You can if you want. It's your choice. You can use real leaves or fake leaves. I prefer fake leaves because the real leaves will crunch. And you can use sticks to just go up like that. Boop, bop, beep. Like an actual roof of a house. And you'll need a hot glue gun and your parents. And you'll need parents' permission to use a hot glue gun. Or you can use regular white glue. Wait, no, you can't.
You can't use white glue. It would have to be something that would hold up outside during the weather. So any outdoor glue would be fine.
In our last video, check out what glue we used for that.
E3700.
E3700.
So also, if you want to add a little perch, you would need a little stick for that as well.
You have to cut it if it's super big.
And
then you need parents. Another thing for parents' permission, you'll need to cut a hole. So you might need a knife or something pokey, so you can poke and cut.
So
cut like a.
You're gonna
circle.
Need an adult to help you cut the big circle out, or the big doorway out. You'll also need them to help you poke a hole if you're going to add a little stick for a perch.
If you want to put food in there. Then.
So you might need some adult, this could be a family craft right here. So this is one that Lila designed. Hers has a hole in the middle.
And the steam is space.
So her design is more like a little house that they could go into, but it still has the little perch. And then this one is Lexa's, and she did like a doorway, and then she wanted to put some little food in the bottom, and they could sit on the perch and eat their little foods.
My theme is my theme is little. There's Hatchimals that look like them. They're
Oh, so if you see up close, hers has spots.
Yes.
Okay.
Hatchimals sometimes have spots.
All right, so Lila is going to go ahead and show us how to put the roof on.
Okay, so I'm going to use, this is for our finished project. So you can paint it first, then let it dry, then put finished details on. And then you can let that dry, and then you put the roof on. So I'm going to use some fake leaves. I'm going to take some glue and
do it on
the
leaf, just because if you're using a hot glue gun and it's too hot, it might make your plastic melt. So if you add a little dot on the back of your leaf and then stick it on, it might be better off.
And you're just going to have to stick it right here.
No, right down.
Just hold it for me.
You don't need to hold it.
Okay. There's one piece. It kind of hurts when you press it down because it's a little hot. Then you're just going to do it all the way down. No, all the way in a circle. Yeah. And you can, I'm going to overlap.
Ooh.
It's hot.
It's hot through there.
Yes.
We didn't use our stuff yet.
Ooh, that's hot. Hot, 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 hot.
Okay, keep going.
Sounded like a monkey. It's hot.
Oh, I'll be back. I forgot the string.
She forgot the string. So she's going to run and get some strings. Now we're in charge.
We forgot to tell you you're going to need string to hang it.
Oh, yeah. You need some string to hang it. Well, I'm going to be in charge while she's making a roof. Oh, ah. Ooh, ah, ha, ha, ha. Ooh, ah, ha, ha. Oh, that is hot. She can be a little crazy sometimes. So, okay, I lied all the time. I love school. I love your school. My mom works at your school. Her name's Jamie Crinkett. Don't touch it. It's gonna hot. Ooh! That's not hot. It's fine. Whoa! This is like Thomistic. I'm pulling something right now. I'm pulling. Yeah! So she got some string and
More
some
leaves.
scissors. More leaves. Don't burn yourself. It's just so it's not flapping off. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. It's hot. So I'm gonna go under the leaves after, so it won't be flapping.
You want it to stick up like that.
Oh no, I was just doing the edge.
Oh. I'll help Lila out a little here. Okay. Alright. She needs one more just to overlap this one spot right
She's
here.
got a little burn, so. Yep, I just burned my cuticle. It's okay.
That's a cute one.
And Diesel's here.
Don't scratch into her. You're gonna have an earthquake again.
So some of the videos, he was scratching on them and looked like an
Okay.
earthquake.
So there's Lila's. Her roof goes all the way around. That
It's
looks
super
super cute.
Cool.
So
That's done.
Lexa's gonna go ahead and do hers. Hold on, I need to put your string on, Lila. So while Lexa's gluing hers very carefully,
What size?
right here, I'm gonna go ahead and you're gonna take your string around the top of the bottle, and I would just wrap it around a few times. And you want it nice and tight.
Mom, there you go.
Oh, you know what?
Oh, it's gonna dry fast. So I prefer if you want to do that's hot. I know, right here. Here, maybe you can. Here, this is great. Oh yeah, just. So if you use fake leaves, we just took it off of one, and there's these things. And since if you get them at the dollar store, they'll just pull right out, like that, and then it just end up like that. And you have that's empty.
So I left 2 pieces of string. I wrapped it around a few times. I'm going to tie it down at the bottom so it stays. And you want that, make sure it's nice and tight. So I'm just going to tie like you're tying a shoe, and then just do it 2 times, just like that first
So it's a
step.
knot. And then you're going to you can tie it
You're
at the
gonna go-
top. Ow, ooh,
So
ow,
just-
ah, ha.
Do a little
Burn
knot.
yourself. Don't burn yourself.
It's hot.
So
Or leisure. Looks no.
That hurt.
Then you can
you can take it outside and you can hang it on a tree branch.
like this. So it would pretend this is a tree. You can just hang it right up there, and then it will just hang. It might blow like that, but that's okay because it's gonna be on a tree, and birds always fly, so it probably will be more.
You know what? If the birds want to go in it and it's spinning around, they can have like a job.
It's like an amusement park.
They can have like a
Spinning like a ride. Okay, so that is our birdhouse or bird feeder. So remember, Lexa's got the big hole, so right in the bottom of hers, she decided she's going to put a little bird seed, where Lila's just going to leave hers just like this, so the birds can go in there and just hang out. Maybe on a rainy day, they could go in there to protect themselves from the rain. Okay, so we will see you next time. Thanks for watching Crafting with the Crankers.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe. And a good shout out to CSI Schools.
See you next time.
Bye!